welcome back to the channel. And so today we're doing something a little different. It's not laser engraving related. However, I may engrave something on the product that I'm about to unbox. So let's fast track, or actually just rewind like 30 days, 45 days. Back before Christmas, I ordered a Harbor Freight off-road jack, the one that just was released at SEMA in 2022. And it finally came out. I ordered it and it came in a couple weeks ago. So I picked it up and I'm trying to find a solution, a way to mount it in the bed of my F-150 Raptor, so it's not sliding around on trips and whatnot. And so I come across the product from 911 Motorsports, who I'm familiar with. I've never purchased anything from them before, but I know they make a conversion kit for an aluminum Harbor Freight jack, so you can get higher lift for like off-roading and whatnot. And I'd almost bought that a couple times and didn't, and then the Harbor Freight jack came out, so I got that. But they released a mounting system specifically for the Harbor Freight off-road jack, and I ordered one. It came super fast. It just showed up actually like 15 minutes ago. I got it right here. I'm gonna open it with you guys. I think from the time I ordered to the time it showed up, it was less than a week from Washington, and I'm in West Virginia, so pretty good. So let's open this up and check it out. So I switched the camera around so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Shipped priority mail. This is probably gonna be a two-part video. Part one is just gonna be opening it, showing it to you guys. And then part two is when I'll actually install it in the truck. So I already had pair of scissors here and cut the side of the package so I can all right, so there we got that. And here we go. It looks like we got two identical plates. I got the mounting holes, and I think my plan is to mount it to a board that goes something like this, with the front wheels in the one and the rear wheels in the other, and we'll mount it to something, and then the board that I mount it to will be secured to the truck. And it even has a spot to secure the handles for the jack. So basic unboxing. We'll take it out to the garage and I'll set the jack in it so you can just kind of get an idea of how it's going to work. And then in part two, we'll actually do a more formal install, and I'll get it into the truck. So far, pretty good. Let's go to the garage. All right, so I apologize if there's an echo out here, but I got the jack out. I went ahead and set the new mounts kind of where they'll go. I'm gonna set the phone down here and set the jack on the mounts and just see how it lines up and how everything sets up. So stand by. All right, so here we go. Got the jack, and we got these. So supposedly the jack handle lays in here as well. So let's pop that off and just mock it up real quick. So I think the handles go maybe like that somehow. And then let's, this thing does have some weight to it. Set it on the mouse, get it lined up. I think that's basically it. I just need to slide this over just a tad. But yeah, and so the handle is directly under it. There's holes in the bottom of each mounting plate to screw it to directly to a trailer, or I guess a board or some kind of mounting plate to secure it to whatever you're putting it in. I'm going to measure it out and just cut a piece of probably plywood, thick flooring, and mount it to that, and then secure that board to my truck bed. But this is basically how it will go. And then what you do once you have the mounts secured to a board or your trailer, there's a hook here and a hook here, and you just get a small ratchet strap and just run a ratchet strap right over the top and strap it down. to these mounts and whatever the mounts are mounted to. So I think it's gonna work perfect for my application. I just gotta make measurements, make mounting plate, and get it all mounted up. That'll be coming in a part 2 video. It might be a couple days. Today is February the 8th. This just came in, and so I haven't had time to work with anything yet, but I might work on it this weekend, not sure. Next week I'm going to be out of town for the Daytona 500. If anybody's gonna be at that, maybe I'll see you. But anyway, 911 Motorsports, Harbor Freight jack mount, and so far I'm happy with it. Check back for part 2. Thanks for watching.